Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So today I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance on my RV here. So what the plan is, we're going to bring the slide out and we're going to treat the seals around the slide. We're also going to look at a couple other little tips and tricks about care for your slide. So hey, let's get going. So what we're doing today is we're going to treat these seals around the edge of your slide. It's very important to keep these things conditioned to the weather. Both the heat and the cold can affect your seals. So there's a coating that I use and I recommend. And we're going to get our ladder and we're going to go up on the back of the slide and we'll treat, well, in fact, we'll go up on both sides and the back. And then there's something else I want to show you up on top of this slide once we get up there. Okay, so I wanted to show you up close how an upper seal can curl. It's not a big issue. They do curl. They get caught sometimes when they're going in. And this one has a couple places where it's curled up. But once I treat this with the Seal Saver, I'll let this sit out in the sun a little bit and it'll lay right down. Okay, so the sealant that I like to use is from 3X and it's called Seal Saver. It's made specifically for this type of a job, and I just like to spray it on and then use a rag to distribute it evenly across the seal. And I'll just shoot it across. We'll get this damp with the Seal Saver, and then I like to use an extendable pole that I use. This is also something that I use to help clean the trailer with. In fact, there's two things that I use, and I'll show you both of those. You can see how it goes on. Now we'll just take our rag and start to distribute it nice and evenly. And it's fine to leave excess on here. It won't hurt a thing. Then I'll just take my pole here and I'm going to actually use the handle of the pole like this, just to get it distributed nice and even. We've got a nice coat on this. Now we're going to run it down the sides, and I'll get that other side wall and move her on that side of the slide. So that about sums it up. Recommend you get an extendable ladder. Definitely helps you out. But more important that I wanted to talk about on this one, since I'm doing the seals, is on top of your slide out, you will have all different kinds of things fall on top of your slide out. When you slide that in and you have not removed those things from your slide out, it will destroy your upper seal. I guarantee it, it will destroy it. Sticks and branches of leaves, whatever. So I recommend that you get a squeegee. You can use it for your trailer cleaning, but I use this mainly to push all of that stuff off the top of my slide out. So that about does it. If you like this kind of information, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next video.